kids are actually in class right now. I am going downstairs. Everybody's in class, so you kind of have to. One has to stay in one's room, the one has to stay in the other room, and the other one, she is down here doing her work. You can actually hold on. You can actually hear what is going on because they all cannot be in the same room due to they are on camera, and you could also hear the teachers' voices. So yeah, that's what they've been doing. Trying to figure out what I'm going to make for dinner. I don't know why the house is in such a darkness. I need to let in some light up in here. So yeah, but so far so good. So far so good. Cannot complain. Yeah, so I've been upstairs doing some stuff myself. I'm gonna head back up because Ursa's in class downstairs. So I'm going back upstairs into the room, and Faith's in her room because she's in class, and Memphis is in his room because he's in class. It's just a little bit later than normal, and I'm just here working on some stuff that I need to work on myself. Like I'm doing some stuff in the background because I have a couple of videos that I need to make, and trust me, I haven't been feeling the vibes. I've been exhausted lately, so I have not been feeling the vibes to do the video, but I'm gonna have to muster up some energy and get these video done. I'm trying to figure out what to make for dinner. I was thinking about making lasagna, so I might just do that and get the think maybe the ricotta cheese maybe, and try and then do lasagna with the ricotta cheese and mozzarella instead. So but the only problem is that I have right now, I don't really feel like getting up and just going outside just to go get the stuff. Usually like comes Friday and Saturday I don't generally cook, but I guess I don't know, I guess I'm gonna figure out something and make thing too heavy. I just kind of want something light, something I haven't had in a little bit. Time to get dressed. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna get some clothes on and go get the stuff I'm at the store and start dinner. Just doing some stuff here behind the scene, but I fixed up my brows, so that's it. I probably just wear my hair outside like this. People probably think I'm a little kid, but I'm just running out to get like a couple of stuff, so whatever. I'm not even in the dressy mood. I'm just gonna throw something on, go get what I have to get, and come back so I can make dinner. I'm about to run out to the store, and guess what? I forgot my little thing that I needed. Oh Lord. Heading out now to go get the stuff that I need to go get and come back. Okay, I just reached home and time to go cook. So I'm gonna go wash my hands and quickly start. Oh, it's my palette. Oh. They're pretty, eh? Look at the colors. Oh, they're nice. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay, all right, that's good. So I'm going to go and wash my hands and get dinner started. So the kids them just finished cleaning up the house and did their chores. So oh, and finished from a long time. Oh, okay. Pardon? Oh, I just took long to keep. I didn't take that long because I only went in and I grabbed a few stuff. So I just went in and literally grabbed a few stuff, and this is why they always say it's always good you can meal prep too, like meal plan. So if you meal plan, if you know you do groceries every 2 weeks or every week, plan out your meals for the first week or 2 weeks. That means like when you go grocery shopping, you get all the ingredients that you need, so that way you don't have to go outside. Like kind of like what I am doing on a whim. I was like, okay, I want to make on a whim I just decided that I want to make lasagna for dinner. So literally just because I ended up doing that, now I ended up having to go out and get the stuff because I didn't have all the stuff I needed to make for lasagna. Yeah, I bought the stuff for later so we can
have a cake for celebrate our first week in school, which I really don't want to go back and do again.
So yeah, so I'm going to get started.
I'm going to go watch the originals.
Make these things. Let me see this one. I think this one's different. Let me see this sauce. Oh, that's the 4 cheese blend. Maybe I should add that. It's really thick. No, those two will do. Okay. I was just thinking. Okay. All right. Where's Rissa and Faith? You guys need to come here for a second. Call Rissa. Rissa's downstairs. Why has a long tail?
Why?
So you guys come here for a second. Let me think. Well, the girls them left me. Everybody left me all alone. So I'm the only one cooking. I just didn't show you guys how to do all of this because if you guys look back in some of my other vlogs, I have a vlog showing how I make my lasagna. But I don't make it all the same all the time. Sometimes I switch it up. I add different cheese, different ingredients to it and stuff like that. So yes, right now I'm just cooking. So hubby had like I guess at work there was like a big accident today, but thank God his co-worker is okay. You want to help me grate the cheese? Yeah. Sure.
I need to wash my hands first.
Yeah, wash your hands and just grab a plate. Oh, well, that's good. Rissa just finished playing and she's coming to help me. I love having help in the kitchen. And most of the time, they all just leave me, especially when I'm cooking. I'm the only one that's down here. Nice. It's nice to have help. Yeah, I just felt like I was like literally just craving ground beef. Not ground beef. I was craving lasagna and I was like, you know, I wanted to make it from earlier this week. You know, I wanted to make it earlier in the weekend and I was like, just debating, and I made other things because I didn't have all the ingredients in the house. And then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna go. Even if that's the only thing I'm running to the store for, I'm gonna go. So, and I got the...
Do you want me to cut up both of them?
I'll just break it in half and then grate her. Yeah, so break it in half and grate her. Just break the cheese. That's fine. Just break the cheese and just start grating. So that is what I'm doing. I already had the pan because I bought the pans because last time I was like, I don't like the little pan. I like the big pan where I can spread it out and get more because I love lasagna. So that's what I did. Maybe one day I'll make cabbage rolls. I don't know. I know Mario's not going to like it, but I will probably make it for myself and maybe the kids. Yes. Let me know if you guys have ever had cabbage rolls before and made them. I forgot what nationality make it. I don't know if it's Polish or, yeah, I'm not quite sure of the thing that makes it. So that's the only thing, but I would make it and maybe he would try it. But that's if I remember how to make it. But I should remember how to make it. It's been a while since I made it. Last time I made it, all the 3 kids were really tiny. So it's been years. More than 6 years. Almost more than 7 years since I've made cabbage rolls. And that was something that the kids, they had love when I used to make it. Because it was just nice. It's something quick and easy and they could just go and heat it up. And it's really good. It's really good. So if I do make cabbage rolls, guys, I will definitely do a video showing you guys how I make my cabbage rolls. I haven't made those in a long time. So I'm just here waiting until this meat cook down. So I'm gonna help Rissa grate the other parts of the cheese, and I guess I will come back to you guys when dinner is almost ready. Yeah, when dinner is almost ready, I will come back. So, and yeah, I just got a few packages I gotta go open, so I'm gonna go open because I'm excited. I've been waiting for them to come and they're finally here, so I'm gonna go do that after I finish grating the cheese and stuff. So let me show you guys. I am all finished, and this is the lasagna here. I'm about to put it in, and this is what I did with the bread that I bought. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, and I got 2 trays, so 2 trays of it. So now I'm going to put this bad boy in the oven. So let me get this lasagna in, and this is why I love these trays, because you get the nice. All right, the lasagna is in, and I'm going to go shower. Hopefully by the time I shower, so time to get nice and spiffy looking for hubby because he's on his way home. So I'm going to go shower, and some of the pasta was left in here. Oh my god, and I thought I cooked all the noodles, you know. So I'm gonna go get spiffy for hubby, and so I'm gonna go shower and stuff like that. Then hopefully the oven, well, the food will be finished, and then I'll put the bread in after, because it only takes like less than 5 minutes for the cheese just to melt it, and Rissa's the one that did that. So thank you, Rissa, for helping me there, because she was the only one that helped me today. The other 2 upstairs in their boudoir. So the other 2 are upstairs in their boudoir as normal. Ooh, it's a long time I haven't drank any what is this? Strawberry daiquiri. Ooh, I could have made some and had some later, but let me go and shower up, get myself together, and I will be back. So I'll show you guys the food when it's finished, and it's about to go in my stomach. I'm finished. I just finished showered and came down. As I got my Pocahontas, my little, what do you call it, 15-year-old hairstyle going on, but that's okay. This is the way I typically do up my hair at night. Keep it all nice and good so it does not get jacked up. So it does not get jacked up. Rissa, he's at the table. Hubby's still not home yet. I gotta call and see where he is. And the lasagna is finished. So we might just end up eating without him. So I'm going to put one of these bad boys in the oven so it can get warmed up and melted just now. That's what I'm going to do. So let me do that. Okay, so time to get this lasagna out. Okay, look, cheesy bread are done, and the lasagna is finished. Look at Rissa.
Oh, I did not see that.
Okay, yum yum yum. So this is what the breadsum look like, and this is what the lasagna look like. So now I'm just going to get this stuff cut, and it's time for us to eat. Rissa set the table. Hubby just came in, so he's going to shower. So hubby's going to shower just now, and I'm going to put out the bread on here. See how much I can get. Woo. Let me taste one. Woo. Oh god. Where's up at the table? Yum, yum, yum. So, yes guys, I am a foodie. I love food. I really love my food. So, I'm going to, let me put the other ones on the, so, I'm gonna have them as well. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the lasagna. Let me. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So, and then the kids them have, I got Parmesan cheese and then garlic, and then, well, not garlic bread, the bread's gonna go with it, and that's pretty much it for dinner. And oh, I got whipped cream, and I got some, so I got this cake here. So that is what we're gonna be having for dessert later. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys for today. We're about to watch a movie. Well, we're gonna eat first, then we'll have dessert later, and yeah, we'll have dessert while we watch a movie. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It might be a short one, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to tell a friend to come on over and join the Williams fam, where it's always a vibes over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I guess I will catch you all in the next one. Stay blessed guys.
Today a lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like we life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.